Visit Tuscany.com. Tortelli di patate, traditional Tuscan recipes. Place the semolina flour and all-purpose flour on a working surface and form a sort of pyramid. Make a well in the center. Place 3 eggs, salt and extra virgin olive oil in the center. Beat the eggs, mix the ingredients together with a fork. Knead with your hands and shape the dough into a ball. Cover with a bowl and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, place boiled potatoes, garlic, parsley, tomato paste, salt and pepper in a large bowl. Mix with a fork until smooth and even. Divide the dough into 4 parts with a dough scraper. Using a pasta machine, roll the dough into long, thin strips, place on the working surface. Take teaspoonfuls of the potato filling and roll into walnut-sized balls. Place the balls on the pasta at regular distances. Fold the top half of the pasta over the bottom half. Press the right and left ends together with your index fingers to seal. Use a scalloped edge pastry cutter to trim the bottom edge and divide the tortelli. Cook in boiling salted water. Place the tortelli on a dish and serve with the sauce of your choice. Tortelli di patate. Ingredients. For the fresh pasta, 3 eggs, 150 grams of semolina flour, 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 pinch of salt, a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. For the filling, 500 grams of potatoes boiled, 1 clove of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, salt, freshly ground black pepper. Method. For the fresh pasta, combine the 2 flours on a wooden board and shape them into a mound with a large well in the center. Crack in the eggs, then pour in the extra virgin olive oil and add a pinch of salt. Knead the dough. When it's smooth, silky and no longer sticky, cover with a bowl and let rest for 30 minutes. While the pasta is resting, make the filling. Mash the potatoes into a bowl and add the garlic, parsley, tomato paste, salt and pepper. Roll out the dough into long, thin sheets. Drop teaspoonfuls of the potato filling at regular distances from one another, about 1 inch apart. Then fold the top part of the pasta sheet onto the bottom part. Use your fingers to firmly press the edges around all the fillings so they are well sealed. Cut out the tortelli using a scalloped pasta wheel. Arrange them on a tray dusted with semolina flour. Cook in batches in a pot of salted boiling water and dress with a sauce of your choice. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale, Ente Nazionale, Sordi, Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.